Are you struggling with bloated all the time, itching on your body, all over your body, dry scalp? It can be your leaky gut. Ne? Leaky gut happens when the lining of your intestines it is damaged and it allows toxins like bacteria, undigested food to get into your bloodstream. It can cause inflammation, weakening of your immune system. The joint pains that you get, joint pains, inflammation, headaches. It can cause it because your gut health it's not healthy. Ne? Also because if you eat a lot of processed food, overdo of spicy food and too much alcohol, it can also cause by it can also be caused by that. Ne? But I have first a remedy for you. Let us try the remedy out. Okay, we are gonna use a 1 teaspoon of you must do this in your empty stomach. Now let us use a half a teaspoon of half a teaspoon. Then I use for my remedy, I use some cod liver oil. You can use castor oil, you can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. When I don't have the cod liver oil and I have olive oil, then I use the olive oil. If I don't have the other ingredients, then I just drink the oil. Yes, a spoon of that in there. Then I put just a spoon of my apple cider vinegar in, and then I mix it. I do this early in the morning, every morning, for my gut health. Yes. Optional, you can optional here. You can put in some honey or some lemon juice. It's just a small batch, and then I drink it like so. This is for my gut. I can put in some honey. What you must avoid. We must avoid now. Avoid sugar, of excess use of sugar. Avoid sugar. You have a lot of sugar in your tea. Start with putting less until you don't have in your tea anymore. Antibiotic, you take a lot of antibiotic from the doctor. And if you have chronic stress, these are the things that can break the lining of your gut. Use some aloe vera juice. You could also drink the aloe vera juice in the morning. But you must do this first thing in the morning because your gut lining is damaged. It means you have to patch your gut lining. That's what you must do. Take this daily until you don't have that symptoms anymore. Right. Your gut is like your second brain. Your gut will tell your brain what's going on. And I personally believe that most of the illness that you encounter in your body start with your gut health. You must make sure your gut health is good.